Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will see can we declare main method as final in Java. So for this, here we have two classes. One is vehicle and we have public static void main, and inside that one simple sysout statement that inside vehicle. And another class we have is car, public static void main, and inside that we have simple sysout saying inside car. So here we have two classes. And we are talking about this particular main method, okay, public static void main with string array argument. This is the entry point for our Java program. We know, right? JVM calls this method. So we are talking about this main method that we can declare it final or not in Java. So in Java, we can have other main methods with the concept of method overloading within the same class. Okay. I hope you are already aware of that. If you don't, then I have already made video on that, okay, main method overloading. If you haven't watched that, then I will provide that video on the top in the eye icon, and also I will provide the video in the description. You can check out that video as well. So here we are talking about this particular public static void main method with string array argument. Okay. Now let's try to make this method as final. So we will use the final keyword. So this keyword you can use in the starting of the method, after the public, or after static as well, but before your return type of the method. Basically in our example, before the void. Okay, at any place you can use, and this is the concept of Java and applicable over here as well. So see, here we are not getting any compilation error. Okay, we declared our main method as final and we are not getting any compilation error. So let's run this Java program. We got it. Okay, this is expected inside vehicle because we have sysout. So there is no issue in declaring the main method as final. But wait a moment. Don't come to the conclusion and don't think that this is the complete answer if someone asks you that can we declare main method as final or not in Java. This is just half answer if you say like yes, we can have the main method as final in Java. So this is the half answer. But don't go with that, okay? You also need to provide the information that what will happen if you declare the main method as final. Okay, what are the impact of this? Obviously within the same class there is no impact. We have already seen, right? But now let's go to our car class. Say for example, this car class is extending the vehicle class with the concept of inheritance. So in that case, car is the child class and vehicle is the parent class. Okay, so let's use the extends and vehicle. See, the moment we extended the vehicle class, right, in the car class, we are getting the compilation error. What it is saying, cannot override the final method from vehicle. So this is the concept of Java, okay, that if you declare the method as final, then you cannot override that method in the child classes. So here car is the child class, right, because it is extending vehicle class, and we cannot override this method. Okay, this completely signature, okay, basically the same method with the signature over here we have in the parent class. So this is the method overriding in Java. I hope you are aware of this. So this is method overriding, and to prevent it we are using the final keyword in Java. Okay, and we declared this main method as final. So now our child class cannot have this particular main method with the same signature. Obviously with another signature you can have it, and this is the concept of Java. Okay, this is applicable to other methods as well. Say for example, here we have one more method, say public string hello and return hello. Now let's override this method in our child class, that is car. That's fine. Okay, this will not give any error, okay, any compilation error basically. Now let's make this method as final. See, now we are getting the error that we cannot override the final method from vehicle. But if we change the signature of this method, say for example, we are adding one parameter. Now that's fine. This is not method overriding because this method signature and this one are different. Here we don't have any method parameter, but here we have one. Okay, so this is not method overriding. if you have this thing, then yes, this is method overriding and it is preventing because we have final method. Okay. But if you change the signature, then that's fine. Same applies for your main method as well. Okay. Say for example, if you do this, that's fine. It will not give you error. But this is not the method that is called by JVM. Okay. Remember one thing. This is the method with string array argument is basically called by JVM and entry point for our Java program. Okay. So let me remove this. So here is the complete answer. If someone asks you that can we declare the main method as final or not in Java? The complete answer is yes, we can declare the main method as final in Java, but if we do so, then the child classes cannot have their own main methods. Okay? Because this will prevent the method overriding. Even we have its own public static void main, it is considered as method overriding because the method signature is same as parent class. Obviously, the public static void main, right? It's matching is the entry point for our Java program called by JVM. So it's obvious that the method signature will be the same and it's considered as method overriding. That's the concept of Java. And final keyword is used to prevent the method overriding. And basically here we are preventing this method overriding for main method. So this is the complete answer that we can have the main method as final, but then the child classes cannot have their own main methods. So this kind of question you might face in the interview for Java developer profile. So that's all for now. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.